Hi, I did my presentation on Moore's Law, and I made a PowerPoint that is 6 slides on this topic. So, what is Moore's Law? Moore's Law is named after its developer, Intel co-founder Gordon Moore, and in 1965, Moore predicted that there would be a steady 2-year cadence of chip improvements within computers, also causing a decrease in computer prices. In return, the speed and capability of our computers would increase. He then updated his predictions again 10 years later to make them more accurate, and this turned his theory into a law, which officially got it the name Moore's Law. And this picture is a picture of Gordon Moore himself. So off to the left is a diagram of Moore's Law over time, and a diagram was created to show the rate of increased processor speed and efficiency in computing over time. Some people argue that Moore's Law is no longer applies to computer processors because they can't simply continue to get better at this fast rate forever with how advanced we're getting in technology. But however, researchers keep finding a way to maintain this 2-year development of new computer chips. So my background is a picture of the Tick-Tock model, and Intel created their own technique to try to maintain Moore's predictions on chip improvements. This is where they got their Tick-Tock model, which shows how they will move to a new chip manufacturing technology every 2 years to keep up with Moore's predictions, and in the years in between, Intel will only update the chip architecture, leaving the manufacturing untouched, as shown through their tick and their talk of the chip development. So this background picture is of the transistors that they have developed, and Intel developed a technology called Tri-Gate transistors in order to shrink its microprocessor circuit elements and to keep up with Moore's Law. So here they went from a 32 nanometer process to a 22 nanometer process. In the background shows their updated design in a 3D picture where the gates are the taller ridges going up and to the right, and the fins are the somewhat lower ridges going up and to the left. So this kind of shows what an actual processor circuit looks like inside a computer and how they've shrunk this down to continue to keep up with Moore's Law and make computers even smaller than before. So, in conclusion, throughout the years, Moore's Law and his predictions on computer chip improvements have remained accurate despite people's predictions that this would have to eventually slow down. Intel continues to follow Moore's Law as they update their chip manufacturing technology every 2 years and continue to make computers and transistors shrink in size. And in the background, I included a current Intel and Samsung computer and what it looks like. And that is all for my presentation on Moore's Law. Thank you.